इष्टदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to assembled devotees. Looks like several devotees sent so many questions. Let me read one by one here today. Question by Arati Dashi from Mirpur. Dear Srila Gurudev Dandavat Pranam, my question is, if I see a senior devotee committing an offense in the temple, am I supposed to tell him, or how should I behave in such situation? Yeah, in such situation, if he really senior devotee, he just silent. If it is unbearable for you, then leave that place. You should not argue with senior devotee, so-called. Naturally, usually we can say real senior devotee, they are not arguing, they are not in the trap of any offense. But we are calculating senior means who accept initiation before, a junior is who accept initiation after. Anyway, so better to keep our Vaishnava's atmosphere always peaceful. In order to make it peaceful, to leave that place. Best way. Question from Madhavi Dashi, Ukraine. Achha, Madhavi Hane. Guru Maharaj, please accept my obeisance. I have one question. If we can meditation on form of Lord, can we meditation on the form of Guru in such present physical form? We have to meditation only on his quality. Okay, now I understand. Guru always giving blessings to be connected with the Lord, to worship with the Lord. So, during the chanting, during the meditation, you can just beg blessings from Guru Parampara, Guru and Guru Parampara. In order to meditate properly, Lord, Supreme Lord. Think about it. So, both we can do meditation, but purpose meditation is different. To get blessings of Guru for meditating our Lord. Because our main goal to serve Lord under the guidance of Guru. Without blessings of Guru, we are not able to progress our meditation towards Lord. Question by the French devotees, can you please explain the difference between Sokhis, Gopis and Manjaris? Very difficult. But anyway, Sokhis is very close associate, very intimate associate. They are Sokhis. And who is assisting of Sokhis, they are like Gopis. and which maid servant of Sakis and Gopis, they are called Manjaris. Bhaktaru Penang. Thank you very much for enlightening us with the pure Harikatha. I would like to ask the below said question. Instead of Vrindavan and Navadvip, why did Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu choose Jagannath Puri as his headquarters? Actually, Lord Chaitanya's headquarters is not like a Jagannath Puri. Lord Chaitanya's headquarters is Golok Vrindavan. But Lord Chaitanya came in the mood of Radharani and form of Radharani. And his main goal, Krishna's main goal rallies the service enjoyment of Radharani. So in Jagannath Puri, you can see there is Krishna, there is no Radharani. So Subhadra is there, Dwaraka. So he, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is this trying, he is just relishing, in order to release, is that to serve Krishna, for separation of Krishna, what Radharani used to feel, to release about it. He chose the place at Jagannath Puri. 24 years after sannyas, he manifested in pastime 24 years. 6 years he was always traveling south, north and spreading prem, divine love. And 6 years he was associating with all the devotees. And 12 years he is fully relishing this Radha's ecstatic mood in absence of Krishna. So, I think you understand what I say. And what else? Okay, this Damodar question is him. I don't know who is. No more question. So today, according to Indian time, it is the very special day. Special day for Raghunath Das Goswami's Chudadadi Mahotsav Day. This Chudadadi Mahotsav, Raghunath Das Goswami manifest on Trayodasi Day, 13 day of waxing moon cycle on Jyeshta month. Vedic month is Jyeshta. So therefore, today is Trayodasi, Chaturdashi and Purnima at the midnight. Actually, Purnima both. But Purnima appear next day, according to English calendar next day, but Vedic calendar before sunrise Purnima, when full moon appear. Therefore, it is called three lunar cycle. Each together, it's called Terasparsha. It is not the good day, but it is special day for us to remember the Raghunath Das Goswami's and Nityananda Prabhu's conversation, what Chaitanya Charitamrita explained. That we have to read today. I hope you appreciate that. All of you know Lord Chaitanya, when he was in Santipur. That time Raghunath Das Goswami, he belongs to a landlord, a Jamindar family. He came and explained his heart, explained that he has desire to be renounced as Mahaprabhu took sannyas, such type of renounce. Then Mahaprabhu is God. We know God mercy we are not able to get directly. We have to get through the Guru. Guru means one tattva. The Guru tattva's root is Nityananda Prabhu, Balaram. So, the Nityananda Prabhu, mercy is not happened yet. In his life, he is not getting yet. Therefore, Mahaprabhu answered like this way. He was answering in that manner. How? He says, Sthir ho, fix your mind. Ghare jao, back to home. Na ho batul, don't be naughty. Don't be naughty, fix your mind, back to home. And then he says, Krome krome paya log bhavo sindhu. Gradually, people can reach the abode of Supreme Lord. That you have to keep in your mind. And then he says so many other things. Markot, like a monkey. Don't show your renounce as like a monkey. Markot bairagya nakar log dekhaiya. Jatha yogya vishay bhunjo na asakta hoiya. Vishay bhunjo, whatever your material responsibility, you have to give due respect on the responsibilities. Yeah. Don't show your renounce as like a monkey. Why is a monkey? Monkey looks like they are very austere. They are following austerity. They have no any fixed home. They are always staying under a tree and not taking any non-veg stuff, only eating veg stuff. Even they are not taking onion garlic also. Although nowadays few devotees also feeling that onion also fruits, we can have it for our health reason. But no, we cannot accept it. Onion, garlic, eating means we are eating beef. So anyway, this is long history, I don't like to go through. The monkey also rejecting onion, garlic. So, look, such type of life. But you can see their mischievousness. They have dirty activities. If you come to Vrindavan, then you can see how they are taking your eyeglass, how they are taking your purse, how they are taking your mobile phone, expensive mobile phone. Then you can understand. Therefore, you say, don't show your renounce or as like a monkey. So go back to home and give due respect whatever you have material responsibility. And antara nishtha karo, inside keep faith, sound faith, bachhe loko bhagwan. Whatever you are supposed to keep your behavior with surrounding your neighbor, relatives, do it. Keep it. Achirat Krishna Tumar. Suddenly Krishna will deliver you. So, this instruction Mahaprabhu gave him. Then Raghunath Das Goswami back to his home. Then there is a place named Panihati. Panihati, at present name Panihati, but near one famous name is actually Shodhpur. It is in between Calcutta airport to Mayapur, in between the place, Shodhpur. And if you go Shodhpur, then you can see Panihati, you can see Raghav Pandit's home, where Lord Chaitanya eternally staying. In spirit, he always there. 4 places Lord Chaitanya eternally in spirit staying. One is Raghav Pandit's home, another one is Sachi Mata's Angan, means Sachi Mata's courtyard. Another one is Nityananda's dancing, and another one is Shivasa's home. 4 places. So Raghav Pandit's home is very, and near Raghav Pandit's home, there is a place where Lord Nityananda came with his so many disciples, or so many followers, you can say. And as soon as Raghunath Das Goswami got the news, he wanted to get the opportunity to meet with Lord Nityananda. But he was feeling reluctant to be close with Nityananda because so many devotees surrounding him. And also he reminded Lord Chaitanya's instruction. So we have to respect from inside our heart, antare, inside heart. Not like outside, in front of him. Sometimes we have some tendency, I have to pay obeisance in front of that person to whom an object of our faith. In front of him, we have to go and pay obeisance, touch his feet. Then you feel, okay, I am getting blessings. It is not like that. So, Raghunath Das Goswami, when he got the news, he came to that venue, to that place, and pay obeisance from far. There Lord Nityananda's, so many surrounding associates, they are conveying the message. Nityananda Prabhu, look, there is Raghunath. There, he is paying obeisance to you. Then Nityananda Prabhu telling them, call him. They called Raghunath Das Goswami, Raghunath. And that time, Lord Nityananda says, Nikotena aisho chora, bhago dure, aji lag paiyachi, dondi mu tomare. Means, you are not coming near to me. Before you went, where? Before you went to Lord Chaitanya, not to me. Now, you are not coming near to me, far. You are paying obeisance to me, far. So, Aji means today, I get you near to me. So I like to punish you. What punishment? Dodhi chida bhakshan karaho morgane, shuniya ananda hoilo Raghunather mone. That punishment make Raghunath feel very, and Ananda is blissful, extremely blissful to hear the punishment. Actually, Lord punishment like that. But we don't know. We don't understand that utility of Lord's punished. Lord never punished to destroy anyone. Lord always punishes us to make ourselves blissful. But we are not able to realize it. Therefore, we are blaming that, why Lord punishing us? Why devotee cursing others? Devotees cursing also blessings. Anyway, if you just go through the tattva, then we should miss the today's significance. So, chura dodhi bhakshan. Chura means flat rice. Dodhi means yogurt. Bhakshan means eating. Karaho, please arrange. More gana means to my peoples, to my associates here, all the devotees here. Feed all of them. And as soon as such punishment, that Raghunath heard it, that make him feel extremely blissful. Then, Seikhana nijo lok pathaiya grame bhakshadabbo lok sab gam hoite ane. You know, Raghunath is not like an ordinary, coming from not ordinary family, it is landlord family. You know, previously landlord is very extremely rich. They have lots of guards, lots of employees surrounding him. So Raghunath, from his childhood, his nature always renounced. Therefore, his parents always keeping so many guards behind him. So Raghunath ordered all of them, go to the village and collect all the, whatever Nityananda Prabhu says, collect it. Saikhana nijo loka pathaiya game. Raghunath sending all the guards, all the employees to villages. Bhakshadabbo lokshava gam hoite ane. Bhakshadabbo, that chura, dahi, fruits. They know that it is the summer time in India. Summer time in India. Therefore, mango, lychee, banana, pineapple, such type of fruits available. Even this white apple, I don't know, jamrul. Anyway, such type of so many fruits they brought. Chura dodhi dugdho sandesh ar chini kala. Chura, flat rice, dodhi, yogurt, dugdho, milk, sandesh means condensed milk with sweet. Or chini means sugar, kala means banana. Sabdabba anaya chaudike dhorila. All these ingredients, he kept it and they are preparing that. Now, Srila Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami Pad explained how the Mahotsav means how this festival, how the festival was. That describing festival situation, festival atmosphere. Mahotsav naam suni brahmana sajjan asite lagilo lok asankha ganon. As well, this Indian tradition, Indian, in Western world, if you invite, they may come, they may not come. But India, if there is a festival, a prasadam there, no need to invite, automatically, like ant. If you keep some sweet stuff on the floor, no need to invite ant, automatically come. So we are like Indian, like ants. As soon as prasadam there, we are just jumping. We don't care about invitation. Also, Mahotsav means everybody invited. Maha Utsav, great festival. So Mahotsav naam suni Brahmana sajjan. As soon as Brahmana and pious people heard it, there is Mahotsav going on. Asite lagilo lok asankha ganon. uncountable number of people that come, they are gradually gathering over there. আর গামান্তর হইতে সামগ্রী আনিল, শত দুই চারি হল্লা আনাইল। Means gamantar, so many village to village, village to village, because Raghunath Das Goswami will feed everyone satisfaction manner, with satisfaction. Our festival, when Prasadam finished, we said, no, Prasadam, sorry. But Raghunath Das Goswami is coming from the landlord family. He don't like to say sorry. He like to feed them happily and make them feel joyful. Therefore, he just sending his employees, his surrounding people from go to village, collect how much it is possible to. Sato dui chari holla lailo. Holla means huge pot. How many? 400 big pot, where he will soak the plucked rice and mixing all the chura, dodhi, all the fruits together. Sato dui means chari means so many. Actually, here's the malsa, means big size, malsa. In Bengal, you know, but you may not know. Clay pot, big. বড় বড় মৃত কুণ্ডিকা আনাইল ৫-৭, এক বিপ্র প্রভু লাগি চিড়া ভিজায় তাতে। বড় বড় big size মৃত কুণ্ডিকা, huge. You know this we call jala. No, jala, no, gamla. Gamli. Mid means clay gamla, very huge. Usually in India, I saw my mother used to soak the paddy. So many that. এক ঠাই তপ্ত দুগ্ধে চিড়া ভিজাইয়া. One place, তপ্ত means hot milk. He soaked the chida, means flat rice, অর্ধেক ছানিল দধি, চিনি কলা দিয়া. Or another other places he said dodhi means yogurt, sugar, and kola means banana. Is mixing everything. আর অর্ধেক ঘনাবৃত দুগ্ধেতে ছানিল, চাপা কলা চিনি ঘৃত কর্পূর তাতে দিল. চাপা কলা means one type of banana family. This India only available, I don't know other places. Chini ghito means also ghee. Ghee means actually clarified butter. Korpur means camphor. It's all mixing together. ধুতি পরি প্রভু যদি পিণ্ডাতে বসিলা, ৭ কুণ্ডি বিপ্রতার আগেতে ধরিলা। ৭ kundi, 7 pot. When the Lord Nityananda sitting in the pinda means one place, the little high place are sitting there with wearing a dhoti. ৭ kundi বিপ্রতার আগেতে ধরিলা. Means 7 pot full of that chuda dodhi, means yogurt, all the mixing together, that. চবুতরা উপরে যত প্রভু নিজগণে, বড় বড় লোক বসিলা মণ্ডলী রচনে. চবুতরা means that actually Pinda, Chabutara, it's same place, same. That place they are sitting, Prabhu's, Nityananda Prabhu's associate, surrounding, and bada log means very respectable, honorable person. They are also sitting there as like, they are also gathering surrounding Nityananda, you can say. Ramdas Sundarananda Das Gadadhar Murari Kamalakar Sada Shiva Purandar Dhananjay Jagadish Parameshwar Das Mahesh Gauri Das Holo Krishna Das Uddharan Datta Adijato Nijajan Upare Bosila Sab Ke Kare Ganon. All they are sitting up with Nityananda. Ramdas, Sundarananda, Das Gadadhar, Gadadhar Pandit, Das Gadadhar. Das Gadadhar, you can see there is a, Addapit near Dakshineshwar. He has a huge ashram there, Das Gadadhar ashram. Every year I am going there. 2 days, this Saraswati Puja, just 2 days before Saraswati Puja, I am going there and take bath over there in Ganga. Every year. This year also I went there. Anyway, big, I have to finish quickly. Suni Pandit Bhattacharya Jata Vipro Aila Manna Kori Prabhu Sabare Upore Basaila. Whatever Pandit means, Bhattacharya means who has degree on logic. Logic means Nyaya Shastra. This is their Bhattacharya. That's a high class Brahmin. Everyone, Nityananda Prabhu allow them to sit surrounding him on the same level. Dui Mritgundika Shabar Age Dila Eke Dugdho Chida Ar Dodhi Chida Koila. So one is milk and flat rice, another one is yogurt and flat rice. with fruits also. Ar jato lok sab chautara talane mondali bande basila tar na hoy ganone. Ar jato mane rest of the people or devotees or rest of the people, better people, or devotees, you can say. Chautara talane means below the Chautara, where Lord Nityananda is sitting, below level, all they are sitting together. Mandali Bandhe Bosila, they are gathering. Tar Nahai Ganone. It is uncountable numbers of people gather over there, then group wise. Dodhi chida, dugdho chida, duite bhijaila, kono vipra upore san na paiya. Some people, they are not getting place in the bottom, so they are also climb up the same Nityananda Prabhu's place. Dui holla chida bhijaiya Ganga tire giya, tire san na paiya ar koto ajamiya. Kono vipra upore san na paiya, dui holla chida bhijaiya Ganga tire giya, tire san na paiya ar koto jon, jole nami didha dodhi chida koro he bhakshan. Everybody getting 2 pots. One is soaked with milk, one is soaked with yogurt. They have no place to sit, therefore they are going down to the Ganga water. They are standing on Ganga water and honoring that prasad, such a crowd, prasad like that. You have to honor. We have to honor in that manner. How much we struggle to honor prasadam, that much we get mercy from Lord. The Lord wants to see how much we have faith for His prasad, for His festival, for His place, how much we are honoring. If we just arguing, it is not proper place. It is not proper etiquette to get blessings of our object of love. To get blessing from our object of love. কেহ উপরে কেহ তলে কেহ গঙ্গা তীরে 20 জন 3 ঠাই পরিবেশন করে 20% 3 places they are distributing this prasad chuda dodi and dugdho chuda to holla prasad sah raghav panditer tatha agamon হেনকালে আইলা তথা রাঘব পণ্ডিত হাসিতে লাগিলা দেখি হইয়া বিস্মিত. Actually Raghav Pandit invite Nityananda Prabhu. Actually Nityananda Prabhu invited by Raghav Pandit to take prasadam over there. So they are not coming. Lord Nityananda engaged here. So Raghav Pandit bring prasadam for Nityananda and he became astonished to see all the arrangement. নিশগড়ি নানা মত প্রসাদ আনিলা প্রভুরে আগে দিয়া ভক্তগণে পাটি দিলাম. Nishagri means not like a rice, dry prasad, like a puri, halwa, this kind. In UP, in Vrindavan, is a pakka prasad. Pakka means like which is pakka means not like fry with ghee, milk, and that prasad. So Nishagri nana mata prasad anila. Nishagri means also like a nimkim, like a instead of salty called nimkim, and sweetie, like in a Jagannath Khaja, such type of. So many prasadam. Sab prasad he brought and he offered to Raghav Pandit. He distributed little Nityananda Prabhu and then he distributes surrounding Nityananda Prabhu over there. Prabhur kahe তোমার লাগি ভোগ লাগাইলাম তুমি হাস উৎসব কর ঘরে প্রসাদ রইল. Raghav Pandit is telling to Nityananda, Prabhu, I arrange so many type of bhoga that I offered in home, but you are making festival here, and all the prasad left over in my home. প্রভুকে এ দ্রব্য দিনে করি এভাব ভোজন রাত্রে তোমার ঘরে প্রসাদ করি মু ভক্ষণ. Then Raghav Pandit told by Nityananda that you also take prasad with me and I also take prasadam here with all the devotees. Night time what you go, I'll go and honor it. গোপজাতি আমি বহু গোপগণ সঙ্গে আমি সুখ পাই এই পুলিন ভোজন রঙ্গে. গোপজাতি means Nityananda Prabhu, who is Nityananda? Balaram, who is Balaram? Balaram is cowherd family, the Gopojati. So when he was in Vrindavan, there with cowherd boys, and they're always taking lunch with cowherd boys. Now he felt like that. I am in that atmosphere. Therefore he says, out of the mood that Gopojati, we are belongs to the cowherd families. Cowherd family. Bahu Gopo Sanke. They are all their Gopo. You know this. There is also Gauridas Pandit was there. In the previous life he was Subal Sakha. So everybody was there. So Ami Shuk Pandit said, Ami Shuk Paim, I become happy to take prasadam, to honor prasadam with them. So let me take prasadam. Raghavere tatha bhojan sampradaya. রাঘবে বসাইয়া দুই কুণ্ডি দোয়াইলাম, রাঘব দ্বিবিধ চিড়া তাতে ভিজাইলাম, সকল লোকের চিড়া পূর্ণ হবে জইল, পূর্ণ যবে হইল, ধ্যানে তবে মহাপ্রভুরে আনিল। When everybody get the clay pot, two clay pot, and feeding. One is milk and flat rice, one is yogurt flat rice and with fruits sort of thing. When everybody have, then because the system is this, we have to wait. This our tendency, an actual Vedic tendency is when everything distributed properly, everything on the plate. Then we pray to Mahaprasad. But nowadays what? We just buffet system nowadays. We are taking Vasanam. Prasad we are taking here and there on table, then gossiping, ha, so many things. But here, etiquette, you can see, সকল লোকের চিড়া পূর্ণ যবে হইল, everybody's চিড়া means flat rice become fill in their pot. ধ্যানে তবে মহাপ্রভুরে আনিল, in meditation or in spirit. Lord Nityananda brought Mahaprabhu here. This is the Abesh. Abesh means he is not physically was there, but in spirit he is there. This is called Abesh. Mahaprabhu aila dekhi nitai uthila, tare loiya sabar chira dekhite lagila. As soon as Mahaprabhu appeared in the meditation of Lord Nityananda, then Nityananda Prabhu stand up and looking how everyone sitting or standing with this clay pot with full of chura dodi and yogurt dodi. সকল কুণ্ডির হল্লা চিড়া এক গ্রাস, মহাপ্রভু মুখে দেন করিয়া পরিহার। In the vision of Lord Nityananda, Mahaprabhu, when everybody offering Mahaprabhu going and grabbing every people's pot, Mahaprabhu grabbing and honor it. This is in the vision of Lord Nityananda, he is showing that. And also Mahaprabhu joking with them. This is in the vision of Mahaprabhu, in the vision of Nityananda Prabhu, it is going on. What? Sakal kundir holnar chidar ek grass. Ek grass means just grab it, put it there. And honoring that. And Parihas means smiling, joking, mocking. Mahaprabhu doing with the devotees. That is the atmosphere. Today, supposed to give, therefore, we should be all joking, mocking in temple, right? Hasi Mahaprabhu ar ek gras loiya, ar mukhe diya khawai hasiya. Mahaprabhu's smiling face, he's eating everyone, and also offering, just like a cowherd boy, how he used to do. The dodi anna, the rice and yogurt, he used to take. He used to feed also. Here the same thing, but not in Krishna's form, Mahaprabhu's form, Lord Chaitanya's form. Krishna in the form of Lord Chaitanya. He is taking from their holla, means from their pot, devotee's pot, means their gopas, and he also offer feeding them by his own hand from this. This first time. Who can see that? Nityananda can see that. এই মত নিতাই ভুলে সকল মণ্ডলে দণ্ডাইয়া রঙ্গ দেখে বৈষ্ণব সকলে this এই মত means in that manner Nityananda Prabhu Bule everybody he's telling now Mahaprabhu came taking the Bule means is explaining Mahaprabhu appeared here honoring from your plate also feeding you and Dandaya Rango Dake Vaishnava Sakale and everybody all the Vaishnava surrounding Vaishnava whoever surrounding there just like Rango these pastimes they are releasing what is going on কি করিয়া বেড়ায় ইহা কেহ নাহি জানে মহাপ্রভুর দর্শন পায় কোন ভাগ্যবানে such type of pastimes কি করিয়া বেড়ায় Nityananda Prabhu makes establish such system to distribute like this. Everybody doing 20 people are distributing. But no one understand, but no one, iha keho nahi jane. What is going on, Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu, no one knows about it. All Mahaprabhu darshan, who is really fortunate, they are able to see Mahaprabhu's. In spirit, he present with them. তবে হাসি নিত্যানন্দ বসিলা আসনে চারিকুণ্ডি অড়োয়া ছিড়া রাখিলা নাহিনে Then Nityananda, after all these things, Lord Nityananda sitting on his sitting mat charikundi 4 Adwa means that different language he use this clay pot dahine right side Rakila dahine right side he kept and means Mahaprabhu is sitting there আসন দিয়া মহাপ্রভু তাহা বসাইলা দুই ভাই তবে চিড়া খাইতে লাগিলা in spirit Mahaprabhu come over there and honor the Shiradodi, Raghunath. Because why not? Raghunath is not ordinary. Raghunath is Acharya of ultimate need. Prayojan Tattva. So he arranged, we know Bhaktir Anna Prabhu Kadi Kadi Khai, Abhaktir Anna Prabhu Ulutin Achar. Who is devotee, his offering Lord always grabbing and forcefully taking that. Just like a Sudama Vipra. He also brought some chuda, means flat rice, or someone said broken rice, whatever. But as soon as Sudama reached the Dwaroka palace, which is golden palace, Dwaroka. So everything gold, all opulence. As soon as he saw, then he felt reluctant to offer this inferior gift for him, like a flat rice or jagur rice, flat rice or broken rice, whatever he brought. He's not feeling well to offer it. Feel reluctant. So what happened? Then Mahaprabhu, actually Lord Krishna asking, after a long time, oh my friend, after a long time you are coming to see me. So should be my sister-in-law, means Bhabi, bring something, but gave you something for me. As soon as, because Lord knows everything, what he felt. Sudama Vipra not offering, not putting sitting mat, not of any chanting any mantra, but Krishna just, hey, what you are hiding? In your cloth, hiding. So let me see, and then grab it and started to take it. Once, twice, and Lakshmi Devi third time catch the hand. So this is so here Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu sitting together and honoring. দেখে নিত্যানন্দ প্রভু আনন্দিত হইলা, কত কত ভাবাবেশ প্রকাশ করিলা. ভাবাবেশ, mood. Nityananda Prabhu, he just showing the mood. The Lord Chaitanya appear. Let me see. আজ্ঞা দিলা হরি বলো করহ ভোজন, হরি হরি ধ্বনি উঠি ভুরিল ভুবন. As soon as Mahaprabhu started to honor, then he Agga means he got order to everyone. Everyone have it, but they are not honor it. Because this is the system in festival. When everything distributed properly, then they give order. Like now we are doing Sarira Viddaja Jodanti like that. Yeah. But they are Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. In that way, Bhuvan means entire in universe, like a vibration, Hari Bol vibration. Several thousand people are there. Hari Hari Boli Vaishnava Karaya Bhojon, Pulin Bhojon Savar Hoilo Smaran. Hari Hari Hari, everybody chanting Hari Hari Hari. All Vaishnava chanting and no gossiping, no any other topics. Hari Hari Hari. Now if you look in our Prasadam hall, so many, just like a gossiping, just like a marketplace. Everybody talking something. Pulin Bhojan Savar Hoilo Smaran. That type of Pulin Bhojan means all this auspicious feeding to Vaishnavas. Everybody remember. Nityananda Mahaprabhu Kripalu Udar, Raghunathar Bhagya Koto Ato Koila Angikar. Then together, physically Mahaprabhu was not there, in spirit. Then Nityananda Prabhu, both they bestow their blessings to Raghunath Das. Krishna Balaram, Guru Krishna. Together, Guru Krishna Prasada Paya Bhakti Lata Bi Brahmanda Bhamita Kono Bhagavana Ji. Guru Krishna Prasada Paya Bhakti Lata Bi Brahmanda in this universe. Bhamita means traveling, moving with so many. Moving means not like a Narada, just flying. Not like that. Narada has rocket. Bear a rocket. Not like that. Means different type of species form. Species. Sometimes human, sometimes animal, sometimes aquatic form, sometimes different form. Tree, plant form, stone form, all living entities form. So, this is the Brahmanda Bhamita. 8,400,000 different type of pieces. Kono Bhagavanaji, we are able to accumulate some spiritual pious credit. devotional credit. So Sukriti. How? When you serve devotee, pure devotee, or serve Vaishnava, their blessings is giving us that Bhakti Unmukhi Sukriti, means spiritual or devotional pious credit, you can say. That Sukriti accumulate then Shraddha appear. The Guru Krishna Prasada Paya Bhakti Lata Bij, Shraddha Rupij, Bhakti Lata Bij, which means seeds. Then we have to irrigate these seeds, right? Irrigation. What is the irrigation? Sravan Kirtan Jale Karo. So Sravan Kirtan Jale Karo Esachan. Then also we have to take it out the weeds, So many weeds. They are covering the main creeper, Bhaktilata creeper. What are the weeds? Name, fame, desire. Recognition, desire. Oh, I am not recognized by my service. I don't have to do that. Not like that. Devotional service, when we have little bit intention to get recognition, that means Lord not accepting our service at all. We need, devotional service is hidden. My grandfather, maternal grandfather used to say, if right hand render some service for Lord, left hand should not know about it. If you keep such type of hidden position, our service, then Lord will accept it. As soon as Lord, look, oh, you have false ego, you have some recognition tendency, you want to recognize. But devotion, better, devotional practice, better not to be recognized, just to hide, do everything. Just like a Narottam Thakur. When Loknath Goswami refused him to not to give initiation, then he chose such service, a hidden manner. He used to do wherever Loknath Goswami used to go for nature call, that place he used to clean before his arrival. So several days when you look, place is clean, keeping neem brush, neem tube, that brush, and also water, clay, mud. So everything perfectly keeping. Who did so? Out of curiosity. So Loknath Goswami appeared before his schedule. Then he saw, it is Narottam Thakur. Narottam. He said, Narottam, you are prince. I told you I don't like to give initiation anymore. I don't want to accept any disciples. So, but you are doing such service although you are prince. Oh, you break my vows. It seems like I have to give. Otherwise the Lord will not be happy with me. Then he accepted Narottam Thakur as his disciples. This hidden, if we do it, hidden manner, Lord accepting happily. And when Lord see recognition tendency is there, false ego is there, Lord is rejecting. So anyway, Nityananda Mahaprabhu Kripalu Udar Raghunathare Bhagya Gato Koto Koila Angikar. Then they bestow blessings, and Raghunath Das Goswami got the blessings from Nityananda and Mahaprabhu. And after that, whatever Mahaprabhu says, Achirat Krishna Tamaya Kurivanuddhara, suddenly Krishna will deliver you. That is the source, is God. He become delivered now. So, when he come back to home, and then Raghunath saw this all his parents realized that he is too much focused to his landlord service, landlord responsibilities. So they realize Raghunath is free from his renounced tendency to let all the gods out. Then one day the temple pujari not coming, so to see the pujari's home, in the name of pujari's home, going to pujari's home and just go. Just left home in that way. Pujari in a temple, there is a temple, in their Jamindar family, landlord family, the big temple. Most probably, the Bengal, they are keeping Durga temple mostly. So Pujari are not coming that day. So to see the Pujari in his home, in the name of that, we just left home. So in that way, first, Mahaprabhu reject. Why? Because he has not yet, he has no blessings from Nityananda. Therefore, he is not getting the Nityananda blessing yet. Therefore, he sent it. Now Nityananda blessing is there, Mahaprabhu appear, and Mahaprabhu and Nityananda together, they give blessings. And his path opened everything. And Raghunath is such a huge Jamindar family's only one son, and his austere life. My spiritual master used to say, even the pashan means stone can melt it. His austerity, this stone could be melting. So, try to think about Raghunath Das Goswami's pastimes today and follow as much as we can the Raghunath Das Goswami's life of austere life, because Mahaprabhu Dharma hai Vairagya Pradhan. This religiosity or spirituality, whatever you practice under the shelter of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, that Vairagya renounce, which make Lord Chaitanya become happy. Jahadiki Prita hai Gaur Bhagavan. Prita means actually become happy, best way. So to see this our austerity, real manner austerity, when Lord see, that make him so happy. That is our goal, to be here in Gaudiya Math, to make Lord Chaitanya happy with their activities. Think about it, and tomorrow we'll continue our previous topics like Raya Ramananda and Lord Chaitanya's conversation. Hare Krishna.